Have you ever wondered what the best large format 3D printers in the world are? That's what we're delving into today, as we explore the significance of these machines in the industry. These aren't just your average desktop printers. No, these are the giants that have redefined the boundaries of 3D printing. We'll be discussing 5 remarkable models that are transforming the game, each with their own unique characteristics. So let's get ready to dive into the world of large format 3D printing and unveil the top 5 printers that are making waves in the market. First up, we have the Creality CR10S5. This printer is a force to be reckoned with, boasting a massive build volume which makes it ideal for large format 3D printing. But size isn't all it has to offer. The Creality CR10S5 also features a sturdy aluminum frame and a heated print bed, ensuring stability and quality in every print. Now let's talk about the company behind this beast. Creality, a Chinese manufacturer, has been making waves in the 3D printing industry since its establishment in 2015. They're known for their commitment to innovation, consistently delivering reliable and user-friendly printers. One of the biggest selling points of the Creality CR10S5 is its price. Despite its high-end features, it comes with a relatively affordable price tag, making it accessible to hobbyists and professionals alike. With its impressive build volume and affordability, the Creality CR10S5 has proven to be a game-changer in large-format 3D printing. Next on our list is the Modix Big 60. This beast of a machine is truly a marvel when it comes to large-format 3D printing. It's designed to provide high-precision printing, with a massive build volume of 600 x 600 by 660 mm. But what sets the Modix Big 60 apart is its customization options. This printer is highly adaptable, allowing you to add on features according to your needs, such as a dual extruder or an enclosure for temperature control. Now, let's talk about the company behind this marvel. Modix, based in Tel Aviv, Israel, is renowned for their commitment to quality and innovation. They've been pushing the boundaries of 3D printing technology since their inception, and the Big 60 is a testament to that. As for the price, the Modix Big 60 comes in at around $5,000. This might seem steep, but considering its capabilities, it's definitely worth the investment. If you're looking for a printer with high precision and customization options, the Modix Big 60 is the one for you. Coming in third, we have the Raise 3D Pro 2 Plus. This large-format 3D printer is a game-changer. It's brought to us by Raise 3D, a company known for pushing the boundaries of 3D printing technology. The Pro 2 Plus is equipped with a dual extruder, which allows for multicolor printing, and a generous build volume that can handle large projects with ease. It boasts an impressive print resolution, ensuring your designs will be brought to life in stunning detail. In terms of drawbacks, the Pro 2 Plus comes with a hefty price tag. However, this is offset by its unparalleled performance and durability. It's a versatile machine designed to meet the demands of serious professionals. Raise 3D has put a lot of thought into the Pro 2 Plus, and it shows. It's user-friendly, reliable, and produces high-quality prints every time. Renowned for its reliability and high-quality prints, the Raise 3D Pro 2 Plus is a solid choice for professionals. Large-format 3D printing has never been more accessible with these top-notch printers. Let's take a moment to recap. We started with the Creality CR10S5, a printer that's known for its impressive affordability without compromising on quality. With a build volume of up to 500 mm cubed, it allows for vast creations, making it a favorite among hobbyists. Next, we explored the Modix Big 60, a printer that stands out with its modular design. This feature allows users to upgrade and expand their printer as needed, an attractive option for those who are looking for a printer that can grow with their needs. We then delved into the Raise 3D Pro 2 Plus. This printer is renowned for its dual extrusion system, which allows for more complex and detailed prints. Despite its higher price point, it's a worthwhile investment for professionals seeking precision and reliability. Each of these printers brings something unique to the table, and they all stand as testament to the leaps and bounds the world of 3D printing has taken in recent years. Whether it's affordability, modularity, or precision you're after, there's a printer in our selection that has got you covered. So, where does this leave us? Well, the choice ultimately lies with you. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, there's a large format 3D printer out there that can cater to your needs. So, which one will you choose?